The spirit of Christmas seems so much more significant with all that we have been through these last couple of years. Christmas is really about sharing gifts, sharing memories, sharing our table with our loved ones, and so much more. Sadly, not everyone has someone to share these things with, and many animals face another Christmas without a family to take care of them. This year, we wanted to share a little love and kindness and the Christmas spirit with the dogs at the Goldra sanctuary. Spending time with these animals is truly special and makes such a difference for them, reminding us of that Christmas spirit. Here we share something in common. Finding a home is not just about property. We believe at Mapro, we help our clients find something more than just that. Our home, our family. Mapro, real people, real life, real estate.